Hello and welcome to today's quick guide where we make mobile apps simple and easy to use for everyone. In this video, we will learn how to change your password in the Canva app on your phone for better security or account recovery. First, open the Canva app on your phone. Next, tap on the More option in the bottom menu. Then, go to Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Login. Next, tap on Update to start changing your current password. Then, enter your current password. If you do not remember your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to create a new one. Now set your new password and confirm it carefully. Finally, save your changes to successfully update your Canva password. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.